Computer science is defined simply as the study of principles and use of computers. Computer science has affected the development of science, communications, manufacturing, entertainment, and many more industries for hundreds of years. Computer science can be used as simply as an algorithm or a simple machine, such that going back to the history of computer science, you can see simple machines just to solve a basic math problem on an angle. One of the most beloved topics in the entire computer science community is the idea of video gaming and what it has become. You can see the growth in the communities, the people that love the idea of it, but some people don't see what goes into it. The amount of code and work that goes into making such a simple game as compared to now where we have these extravagant games where you can do just about anything is completely out of this world. The idea of being able to do what we can do with the technology that we now have is part of the reason why computer science has innovated world change. Now that I've given some examples about some of the great things to come from computer science, let's go to an interview from a systems computer manager for a very big company. What are your degrees in the field of computer science?
I have an associate degree in computer science with a concentration in business from Penn State, and I have a BS in computer science from Kutztown University.
What are your experiences in the field of computer science?
I am now a manager of business systems. I'm responsible for our ERP system at a manufacturing facility. Been working on SAP software for about the last 20 years. And SAP is our ERP software.
What are your thoughts on the topic of how computer science has innovated world change? Do you have any views on the opinion?
Well, certainly I've seen a lot over the last 35, 40 years while I've been working in the field, from personal computers to laptops. Obviously, the World Wide Web was huge in changing everything. Use of email and social media has changed how we communicate with each other. The software that's available, from office products to applications, and everybody works and plays in their day-to-day life.
Why do you believe that computer science is important?
In my current job, it's very important in what it's been doing in regards to cost reduction because of the speed of computing and having data at our fingertips, being able to research all types of things very quickly. And we also have a lot of automated equipment that's run out in the manufacturing plant that has speeded up the delivery to our customers. We have increased communication between the different departments because of the way we're able to work. And outside of work, I think medical research is one of the biggest things that technology has really helped innovate for the last 100 years.
What are your views on further technological advances coming in the future, or is there anything that you would like to see get better or go further with its personal development?
I can tell you, in my job, we are currently looking at having software delivered as a service, being able to go out in the cloud and execute software and not have to actually purchase and upgrade it, get self-upgraded as a service. We're looking at large in-memory computing databases that can really crunch numbers and speed up the processing even further than now. We also will use that information to know more about what the customer wants and be able to deliver them. And we'll also be able to apply any kind of innovative technologies quicker because of using the cloud and software as a service. Outside of work, again, medical research, being able to see what can be improved. Here's even further as far as improvements in curing cancer and all other types of technologies they're researching.
Thank you for your time and informing the listeners on your opinions and your views in the field and your experience. Technological advances in the present, past, and hopefully the soon future lead to great things among the entire world coming together through communication and so forth. This concludes my audio essay on how computer science has innovated world change in a positive way.
There was a time when I was alone, nowhere to go and no place to call.